It's the behind the scenes for me.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's 𝕬𝕤𝕤𝕤 here, back with another video. You guys already know what's happening when you see me with a brown box. All right, so let's get into it. Honey. Hi guys, welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. I appreciate it. Okay, if you are returning, as I say, Baba God bless you. Baba God bless you. Thank you. Okay, so you guys know I haven't done a sneaker unboxing in a while, and you guys know we're already 3 months into 2021. It's about time to cop some new sneakers, right? So today I went ahead and I purchased a new pair of shoes, a type that I actually don't have already, right? So we don't got no, there's not a pair of Jordan 1s, all right? So let's go ahead, and I already opened the box because I was too eager, but let's go ahead and see what's in here, okay? So before I open this, so I did purchase these sneakers off of Goat, and it came in like a brown box. I purchased this is my first time ordering from Goat, and usually I get from StockX, and it usually comes in a brown box. So nothing ordinary, nothing different, right? So in terms of packaging, the packaging is pretty the same. When you open the box, this is how it looks. It has the Nike box in there. It actually has like this in there as well, but so yeah, that's how it comes. You open it and then you have your shoes. So here are the shoes. This is how it comes in, right? Before I open the box, let me go ahead and tell you guys the details. I have it here on my phone. I purchased the sneaker on Goat on February 22nd, and I received it on March 1st, right? So it was about, let's say, 8 days, like a week. It took literally a week basically. And I paid $154.61 in total, right? So the sneaker itself was $130. They charged me $12 for shipping, and they charged me $12.61 for tax. And tax depends on where you live, right? So just keep in mind, you might pay differently based on where you live. So those are the details. New. These are new, comes in a box. It basically tells you all the details, and yeah, I received it. So this is the sneaker. It came, the box looks literally perfect. Like there's no dent anywhere. There's nothing that shows that any wear and tear on this box. There's like a little, but that looks like from shipping. This box is pretty clean. You open it up, this is how it comes. It comes with like a goat. What is this? It's just like a goat symbol, I guess. It's not a sticker. It's just like a piece of card, like hard paper. It just says goat. And then it comes with this thing. It's like a checklist that basically shows you that the sneaker is authentic. It punches a hole in every, like, it basically shows you that the sneaker is authentic. So this is how it came. And then aside from that, it comes in like a piece of tissue paper. You open it, you see the first sneaker, right? The sneaker comes like this. So one thing that I realized is there's no tag on here that says verified like StockX, which is fine. They give you this other one that shows you that it's verified, and it comes like that. And yeah, from looking at it, it looks like there is no wear. I inspected it, right? Because this is my first time buying from Goat, right? So I inspected it. It looks really clean, and I'm obsessed with this sneaker, guys. Like, look at it. Look at it. I love it. That was for a thumbnail. It comes with the laces, and I realized that it doesn't come with like any tissue in it, right? It doesn't come with any tissue in it. It's just there. Like, you know how when you get new sneakers, you take out the tissue or that? It doesn't come with that. But the sneaker itself, it looks really good. So let's go ahead and let me take out the other pair. Here's the second pair. I'm obsessed, right? Here it is. And I literally just realized I didn't even say the name of these sneakers. These are the Nike Dunk Hyper Cobalt or Cobalt. I don't know how to say it. And this is in the grade school sizing and the size 7. You guys know I already wear size 7. And I usually go for the grade school sizing because why should I pay $100 extra for the same sneaker? And yeah, it fits me really perfectly. I tried it on. It fits good. I'm gonna do a little try on thing for you guys so you guys will see. But here is the sneaker. No long talk. These sneakers are really nice. And especially for the summer, I think this is a great pair of sneakers to have. Here it is. Take a look, enjoy the view. I don't know, from buying from both StockX and Go, I personally like StockX better. I just like the adrenaline rush that I get when I cut off that green tag. I like the fact that it comes with tissue in it. And I realized these didn't come with an extra pair of laces. I don't know if Dunks come with an extra pair of laces. Air Force Jordan 1s usually do, but I'm not sure about these. But yeah, I just love the sneaker. It's really, really nice. You guys see that? It's very, very pretty. The box was good. So like literally their service is top tier. Like there's nothing wrong with their service. The shipping was fine. It was like a week. It was perfect. And I'm really, really excited to have these sneakers. I'm excited because I think these are a perfect summer shoe because they're low tops. And yeah, I tried them on. People say Dunks are not comfortable, but I felt pretty comfortable wearing these. Like the inside is not hard or anything. The sole, like the front wasn't hard. Everything was really, really good. So I'm very, very excited to you know, style these. A styling video is coming because you guys, I love royal blue. Like royal blue is like one of my favorite colors, and I love that the sole is blue. I think it's perfect. So yeah, here's the sneaker. Here it is. I'm gonna put it on my feet so you guys see how it looks on the feet. So let's do that. So yes, that is it for today's video, you guys. I am obsessed with this shoe, as I've said multiple times. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, thank you. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe. And I'm gonna just like put the playlist. I've done a couple of other unboxings on this channel that I would love for you guys to check out. So definitely do not forget to do that. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, as I said, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on IG, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, my loves. Mwah.